Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to restore deleted calendar events in Samsung Galaxy S24. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open the calendar app. Now after opening the calendar, click on this menu icon and here scroll down and click on recycle bin. Now in recycle bin, here you will find all your deleted calendar events. So to restore a calendar event, click on edit option here. Now select the calendar event you want to restore, and after selecting, click on this restore option here. So now you can see the event is restored. Now when you will go back to the calendar, it will show you that event. So that's how you can restore deleted calendar events in Samsung Galaxy S24. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.